Nasa. So what do you feel, guys?
Happy.
Wow! What do you feel, Kaka? Are you okay? Sarap? Oh, comment. What do you feel? Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Welcome.
What do you feel? Did you fish your hair?
Yes. Please like and
Fish your hair.
subscribe and like. Please YouTube the like and subscribe.
Fish your hair.
Yeah, fear your face.
Oh, next. Saan tayo next?
Roller coaster. Ang taas, bro. Honestly, fear. Always fear your face.
Wait lang.
Always fear your face. If you do not fear your face, you'll always fear that fear. Where's the roller coaster?
Yun na tayo daw.
Always-
Yung VR box yun, no? Ah, sige. Last.
Always fear. Oh wait, always fear your face because if you don't, you will always fear your fear.
Okay, Kaka. Okay na. Let's go. Nag-vlog na ini. Ano? What do you say?
I'll say it's very. How about you, Mamanda? What's your message? Good luck.
Good luck.
Or see you.
See you tomorrow.
I laughed. Nakatawa yung pagtawa ni ay pagsigaw ni Kaka. She kept on screaming.
Dinig ni daddy niyo.
Everybody was oh,
Ito, tayo na yun. Saan ang ito? Mataas.
that's good.
Na this is minor.
Not major.
Oo. Oo. Minor lang to. At least you face your fear. Nga. Chanted. Go. Yan na sabihan, yun na yun. Ano? Approve? What do you feel? Ano? Comment.
It's still fun.
Ano sarap yan yun? Airplane? Bakit hindi kayo nagbabay sa amin? Dito lang sa gilid.
It felt like I was flying over. Like I got to, it's like I got to go virtually. Anyways, the fun was so
Hmm? Na, yun lang. Wala na. Want more? Na! Wow, very good naman ang face namin. Oh? Oh? Oh, dito. Kaya nga. Ganin.